Okay, so detour, amine protecting groups. How we can take this nucleophilic amine with its lone pair of electrons locked right here on nitrogen, and how we can make it be not nucleophilic. The answer is basically to transform it into something that we refer to as a carbamate. This is something that's kind of like an amide. We've got a nitrogen attached to a carbonyl, but then on the other side we have this oxygen-containing group, a T-butyl or T-butoxy group. So indeed, this particular carbamate, the one that we're going to use, is referred to as a tert-butoxy carbamate or a Bach protecting group. Now this makes it not nucleophilic because this lone pair now, instead of being locked on nitrogen, is spread out. We can draw a resonance contributor in which we take this lone pair of electrons and we share it just like we would with an amide in between the nitrogen and the carbon. So we have this second resonance contributor, and it's a significant resonance contributor. So delocalized, not as nucleophilic, it shuts down the nucleophilic character of an amine. So how do we put this on? And how do we take it off? That's actually all basically carboxylic acid derivative chemistry. So we can take our amine, we can react it with an odd-looking anhydride. So indeed, this is referred to as Bach anhydride. Here we've got the two carbonyls, the oxygen in the middle. We need some sort of base in here, and it can be pretty much any mild base. We'll use pyridine in this example to take care of the acidic proton we'll have at the end, and gives us our Bach protected amine. We can then do other chemistry, not having to worry about that being a nucleophile. But when we're ready to have our amine again, we simply treat this with trifluoroacetic acid. So a somewhat stronger carboxylic acid. This does effectively an E1 type elimination. I'm not going to worry about the mechanism. If you'd like to know about it, feel free to ask. I'll be happy to walk you through that. But the bottom line is we'll remove that Bach protecting group and get back to our free amine. So easy to put on, makes it not a nucleophile, easy to remove. It's a protecting group.